Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So, as you can see, I have a Tonic craft kit to share with you. They have also changed their packaging and their envelopes and folders for this, so it's going to be interesting to see. I did take a very small sneak peek, but I did not I didn't pull anything out. So, I missed last month's, which I'm bummed about because y'all know I love Christmas, and that was a Christmas box, and I missed it because, again, my card got hacked and I didn't change my card in time, so that kind of sucks. But I've updated it, but they won't charge again until September. So that's a bummer. Anywho, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of my future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you're new to my channel, I am not sponsored by Tonic. I'm just a big fan of their product, their line. They put out beautiful craft supplies. Really great if you're into 3D crafts, which I love. So another reason why I just love them so much, and you get really great bang for the buck with this kit. So with that, let's dive in, and then I'll update at the end as far as like videos and stuff like that. So we open it up, and already it's cute. They have packaging. I think this is a bonus item. I'm not sure. So I'm going to go ahead and pull everything out, and then we will get to checking out the goodies. All right. Oh, it's a folder. Okay, that's awesome. That is going to be garbage. So this is great. I hope they keep this up. They have a little like pocket folder that they send all your papers in. So let's see if I can find the packing. That doesn't go there. That goes there. Okay, here we go. So this is called the Serendipitous Purse Box. And we're going to start with the papers. So the papers are classic card, specialty paper. I am not sure which one this in. We're going to start with the classic card, I guess. So with the classic card, we have Ballet Pink. A lot of y'all know how much I love their textured card. This is my favorite type of cardstock for making cards. It's solid core. It is not white core, which is something I'm not a fan of, but it does have its purpose, and everybody has their personal favorites. White core is just not mine. So anyway, we have Ballet Pink, we have Denim Blue, and we have Aubergine Purple. So those are the three textured cardstocks that come. The next, we have Foiled Craft Card in Rose Gold Blossom. This is one of my favorite rose gold craft papers. I've purchased a couple of these because it is so pretty. So there's that. Next, I think this is Smooth Card. Yeah, we have Smooth Card in white, 300 GSM. So this is going to be really good for using as card bases if you want a really sturdy card base. You really always want to look at your GSM, your weight for your bases. So there is that one. In Mirror Card, we have Purple Rain. And it's hard to see with the holographic, but it does have a really nice purple hue to it. But as you know, as you can see, it also has a holographic look to it as well. We have Glitter Card in Cobalt Blue, and this is a mixture of silvers and it looks like 3 shades of blue. When you're actually looking at it, you can see the different colors popping out. I don't know how well it shows in the video, but it's really pretty. It almost kind of like, the way the light hits it, as I'm looking at it, looks like stars in the sky. It's really pretty. We have specialty card in Tropical Nights. This is just a textured card. The only specialty card that they have is the iridescent, or the pearlescent cardstock. That's the only specialty that is double-sided, just so you know. And then the last one we have is specialty card. No, this must be Iced Gray Glacier. And then this is Tropical Nights. Where they get Tropical Nights, I have no idea. It's a really deep purple. So I don't get it. Don't get it, but hey. I believe... So this is a part of it this month, which I think is really cool. They have a Tonic Studios. They call it the Polka Dot Pen. Y'all know I'm a pen junkie, so this is a nice solid pen. As you can see, it's covered in polka dots. It looks like it's a medium point, not a fine. I prefer fine point. It writes nice though. It's a deep blue, a real navy blue. So really excited about that, because you know me, I'm not turning down a pen. So I'm just going to throw this away. I'm not keeping that. It's garbage. Put that over there. My pretty pen. The next goodie we have is the Nouveau glitter marker in Wild Mulberry. I'm trying to... Yeah, I've got some over here. Here's one that I have out of the box, and I don't think it's, yeah, it's not primed yet. So anytime you get the glitter markers, you are going to have to prime them. You just pump the nib, and don't beat it. Just put the nib down, hold it down. You're going to start seeing, I don't know if you can see that there's little striations coming down. The ink is loading onto the nib. Sometimes I just kind of pump it a little bit. We are just about there, and their glitter markers are super sparkly. It's kind of hard to see, but there's lots of glitter in that, but it is just like a marker. So, but this as you can see, this is a much lighter purple, Wild Mulberry. It's like a purple pink. Anywho, so that is in this month's kit. And let's check out the goodies, because I have not opened this yet. I think it's cool that they have pretty little bags now. Hold on. So, oh, it came with an adhesive tape runner. You know me, I'm not going to turn down adhesive, and I really do like the Nouveau tape runner. Now, my favorite is the Kokyo tape runners that I've shared before, but if you know you get this, you're gonna love this. I will say I'm disappointed because they look like they're refillable, but they don't sell refills, that's always confused me. I've never understood that, because they should definitely make refills on that. I'd buy them. The next goodie we have is Nouveau Mica Mist in the color Midnight Horizon. I'm going to shake it up just a little bit, throw that over there, and we will just take this invoice, fold it in half, and pray that I don't ruin my cardstock that I've got out. You know what? I'm going to spray it off to the side. Yeah, I made a mess. So you can't see it, but it has a really pretty blue metallic look to it, and it's going to really sparkle once it dries. You can kind of see it over here. You guys see that shimmer down here at the bottom? I'm going to hand this over to my sister because she's actually on the floor next to me. I don't know if you can see that. So good, nice sample size. Always love that. We have, oh, snap. We have Nuvo Crystal Drops in the color Metallic Navy Blue. I don't think I have a lot of the metallics, so that'll be nice. Really pretty. We have a sample size of Nuvo Glimmer Paste. You always gotta love having something that you're gonna make a big mess with. And this is in the color Galactica Blue. It's actually, they go really nice together. So there's that. And then it looks like I got a pot of Nuvo Spring Rose Pure Sheen sequins. And you can never go wrong with sequins. And I love the tonics because they come in multiple sizes, so it kind of really I don't want to say randoms it up, but you know, it's better than just, I don't want just one size sequin, but that's, you know, that's me. I don't know if the sequins, nope, so, oh, so this apparently is a kit exclusive, so I don't know if this is going to be out for sale at all. Because sometimes the kits include things that you can only get in the kit, and that includes your dies. Your stamps and your dies that include in the kits, that is the only way to get those stamps and dies. So, let that dry up there. Throw Trashola in there. Oops, sorry. And so we are going to get two. So here are the new binders. The previous binders were looked like a craft binder. I would reach up to get one, but I'll be honest, I don't feel like getting up and moving because my knee is tired from today. Ouch. Ow, ow, ow. Yeah, it's not happy. But I have to say, I really like the new pockets. They're definitely prettier than the craft ones, that's for sure. So there's that. And then here are the new folders. The previous folders were also craft. Here is the sticker, Serendipitous Purse Box, which is a change because normally it would have like some neat saying on it, but this is the name, which actually I think I like better. Because I always stick the stickers on the envelope anyway. It kind of gives me an idea of what is inside. So basically they are cute little like boxes that kind of resemble purses, but are great for like if you want to do party favors, you know, so it comes with multiple sentiments in it. The sentiments, actually it comes with a lot. So we have with love, for you, enjoy your day, thanks, best wishes, and I can usually read these, but I can't. I can see you. That's all I can see. Something for you. That's all I can read. So that is what is on this side. And as usual, I will put a link to the Tonic video for this kit so you can see everything and the different designer samples that they featured. So, and then I'll also include the link to, she's called Crafti-potential, and she is one of the designers for Tonic, and I always love her videos. So I'm going to include her channel video for this and the Tonic video for this kit so you can check it out. Let me grab my ruler. So this is going to give you an idea how big the purse box is when it's finished. So the finished size, you're looking at about 3 3/4 wide by about 3 inches tall, and that's to the highest point here. And then I think, yeah, an inch deep. So an inch deep, 3 inches high, and what did I say? 3 3.75 inches wide. So, and you get 2 designs. Tonic's always really good about giving you the option of what you want your project to look like, so you're not stuck with one design. This is more of like a filigree over here, and this has more of like a floral garden die cut on this one. And then really cute, the gusset at the top, if you can see, is embossed in flowers. And the stamp sets that come with it, so you can stamp the tags that are in the kit. Again, you have kind of like the filigree look and then a floral look, and you have thank you, love, best wishes, lots of love, and special day. So, as usual, Tonic always knocks it out of the park with their craft kits. They always make it really handy for storage, because every third is, so every 3 boxes, or I guess every 4th box. So there'll be 2 more kits that fit in this. So the 3rd one after that, they'll send another one of these folders to hold the stamp and die sets. So, and once I get everything organized, I'm going to be taking my binders, and I'll put a label on the outside stating which kits are in each binder. If you are really wanting to, you can get 4 of these envelopes in them, but you're kind of pushing your luck. Just sharing that. So, anywho, that is this month's kit. I am, like I said, still absolutely bummed that I somehow missed last month's. And I'm pretty certain it completely sold out. I doubt we will ever see it come out in like a vault, you know, like when they run their little vault sales. I don't think it's coming out. Anywho, as I've previously mentioned, my videos for the month of July are going to be sparse. You will be very lucky if you get, I think, 2 a week. There's just a lot going on. It is my birthday month. Our lawn is supposed to be going in this weekend. Yeah, there's just a lot going on. And I have a follow-up with my orthopedic doctor next week on my knee to see what's going on with that. So, yeah. Anywho, I hope you guys have a great Tuesday. Any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget, my email is in the description. And again, I will have 2 links down in the description for this kit for you to check out the artwork. And one of those will be the Tonic YouTube channel, and the other one will be from Crafti-potential. She does really great artwork for Tonic, and I always look forward to her videos. So, and she's very detailed in how she, showing with you how she creates things. She gives you great ideas as for alternate use for your product, so you're not, you're not stuck with using something just one way. She gives you all kinds of wonderful ideas, so definitely go check her out. Love you guys. Have a great night. As always, happy crafting. Bye-bye.